Welcome to Global English Tales. Today, we visit Willowbrook Village by Silver Lake, a shining, secret-filled lake. Three friends, Liam, Olivia, and Noah, love playing near the water. One day, they find an old wooden box hidden in the mud. Inside are a glowing blue stone and a mysterious letter, which tells them to find three special tokens: courage, kindness, and wisdom. Excited, the friends begin their adventure to unlock Silver Lake's secret. Are you ready? Let's begin. The Secret of Silver Lake. Part 1. The Mysterious Box. Liam, Olivia, and Noah hurried along the grassy path that wound between the village and Silver Lake. The afternoon sun sparkled on the water, and the air was filled with the sounds of birds and laughter. The friends decided to explore a small cove, shaded by tall willows, where they often skipped stones and built pretend forts. As Noah poked the mud with a stick, his foot struck something hard. "Hey, what's this?" he called out. Liam and Olivia rushed over. Sticking from the mud was the corner of a small, wooden box, old and covered in green moss. "Let's see what's inside," Olivia said, wiping the box clean. Strange patterns were carved into the wood, and as she opened the lid, something magical happened. A soft blue glow shone from inside. Nestled within was a smooth, shining stone that pulsed with gentle light. There was also a folded piece of paper, yellowed with age. Noah carefully opened the letter. The message inside read, "To those who find this box, Silver Lake's heart is deeper than it seems. Seek the three tokens, courage, kindness, and wisdom, to unlock its true secret and restore its magic beam." The three friends stared at one another, excitement and curiosity lighting up their faces. "We have to follow the clues," Liam declared. Olivia nodded. "Let's search for the first token, courage." The adventure starts today. With their hearts pounding and the glowing stone in Liam's backpack, the friends set off, ready to explore the hidden places around Silver Lake. None of them knew what challenges might come, but together they were brave enough to begin. Their quest for the truth had officially begun. Part 2. The search begins. After finding the mysterious box, Liam, Olivia, and Noah were filled with excitement. They knew their first task was to find the token of courage. According to the letter, it was hidden somewhere in the Whispering Woods, a dark forest near the edge of their village. The woods were known for strange sounds and shadows that played tricks on the eyes. The next morning, the three friends packed a small bag with snacks, water, and a flashlight. Olivia's heart skipped a little as they walked into the thick trees. The air was cooler here, and the quiet was only broken by rustling leaves and distant bird calls. "Are you okay?" Liam asked, noticing Olivia's nervous glance. "I'm just a bit scared," she admitted softly. "But I want to be brave." Noah smiled. "That's what courage means, trying even when you're afraid." Deeper into the forest, the sunlight shimmered through the branches, guiding them toward a clearing. In the center stood an old stone pedestal covered in moss. Upon it rested a bronze shield carved with scale patterns, shining faintly. Suddenly, out of nowhere, a fox appeared, its bright eyes watching the friends carefully. It stepped forward, blocking their path to the shield, its presence both wild and graceful. Liam slowly reached into his bag and pulled out some berries. "Maybe it wants to see if we're kind," he said. Olivia stepped forward, carefully placing the berries on the ground. The fox sniffed them and gently ate before stepping aside. The shield glowed warmly, and the friends knew they had earned the token of courage. Smiling, they felt a new strength inside them as they prepared to continue their adventure. Part 3. The Token of Kindness. After their success in the Whispering Woods, Liam, Olivia, and Noah felt braver than ever. Their next mission was to find the token of kindness. The letter had said it would be near the great oak tree, known to be the oldest and largest tree in Willowbrook Village. The friends made their way to the great oak, its wide branches stretching like arms welcoming them. Near the tree's thick roots, they noticed small animals scurrying away, a sign that the tree was full of life. As they walked around, Olivia suddenly stopped. She saw a tiny rabbit caught in some thorny vines. The rabbit struggled, scared, unable to jump free. "We have to help it," Olivia said hurriedly. Carefully and gently, she untangled the vines and freed the frightened animal. The rabbit looked up at Olivia, blinking softly, before hopping away into the bushes. As if to thank them, a shining green leaf floated down from the highest branches and landed softly in Liam's outstretched hand. The leaf glowed with a gentle light, the token of kindness. The friends smiled, feeling the power of kindness fill their hearts. "Kindness is more than just helping others," Liam said. "It also makes us stronger." The day grew warm, and sunlight dappled the forest floor. The friends rested a while under the great oak's shade, their spirits lifted by the beautiful sight. They knew the final challenge awaited them at the old cave on the hill, and it would test their wisdom. Together, they prepared to face the last part of their adventure. Part 4. The Test of Wisdom. The final token, the token of wisdom, was said to be hidden inside the old cave on the hill overlooking Willowbrook. Liam, Olivia, and Noah climbed the steep path together, feeling a mix of excitement and nervousness. The cave mouth was dark and cool, with strange echoes bouncing off the stone walls. "We must be careful," said Olivia, holding a flashlight high. Inside, the cave twisted and turned like a maze. Shadows danced on the walls as the three friends moved carefully forward. Suddenly, they saw a soft glow ahead, a large crystal resting on a stone altar. This had to be the token of wisdom. But the crystal was guarded by a riddle carved into the rock. "I speak without a mouth. I hear without ears. I have nobody, but I come alive with the wind. What am I?" The friends whispered guesses to each other. Liam thought it might be a spirit, Olivia guessed a shadow, and Noah wondered if it was the wind itself. Suddenly, Olivia's face lit up. "An echo!" she exclaimed. "It talks without a mouth and listens without ears. It lives in the cave when sound moves." They waited anxiously. The crystal began to glow brighter, and a soft voice said, "You have answered wisely, and so the token is yours." Gently, Olivia took the glowing crystal from the altar. The cave seemed to hum with approval. The friends felt proud and grateful. They had found all three tokens: courage, kindness, and wisdom. Now, it was time to return to Silver Lake and discover the secret that awaited them there. Part 5. The Secret of Silver Lake. With courage, kindness, and wisdom now in their hands, Liam, Olivia, and Noah hurried down the hill toward Silver Lake. The glowing tokens shimmered softly, as if eager to reveal the lake's hidden mystery. Arriving at the water's edge, they placed the bronze shield, green leaf, and glowing crystal carefully around the blue stone inside the wooden box. Suddenly, a bright light burst forth, dancing across the lake's surface, making the water sparkle like never before. A warm breeze swirled around them, and before their eyes a gentle figure appeared, a wise woman with eyes full of kindness and a smile that calmed the heart. "I am the spirit of Silver Lake," she said softly. "Your hearts have shown true courage, kindness, and wisdom. Because of this, the magic of the lake has awakened." She gestured to the shimmering water. "This lake holds the gift of life and hope. It will remain pure and full of wonder as long as those who cherish it protect it." The three friends listened carefully, understanding that the secret treasure was not gold or jewels but the power to care for the world around them. The spirit gave each one a small charm shaped like a water droplet. "Carry this with you always, a reminder of your journey and the friendship that made you strong." As she disappeared with a soft breeze, Liam, Olivia, and Noah looked at each other with smiles. They had found something far greater than treasure. They had found the true meaning of friendship and respect for nature. From that day on, they promised to protect Silver Lake and its secrets, sharing their story and inspiring others to care for the world's wonders. The sun set behind the hills, painting the sky with colors as brilliant as the magic now alive in Silver Lake. Thank you for being part of this wonderful journey with Liam, Olivia, and Noah in Global English Tales. Their story shows us that true treasure is not gold or riches, but the courage to face fears, the kindness to help others, and the wisdom to care for our world. Silver Lake's magic shines brightest when we respect nature and each other. We hope this adventure inspired you to be brave, kind, and wise in your own life. If you enjoyed this tale, please like, subscribe, and press the bell icon so you don't miss our next exciting story. Keep dreaming, keep learning, and see you soon for another amazing adventure.